A few months ago, I was at Cornell University celebrating the life of Tommy Gold, a famous astronomer who died at a ripe old age. He was famous as a heretic, promoting unpopular ideas that usually turned out to be right. Long ago, I was a guinea pig in Tommy's experiments on human hearing. He had a heretical idea that the human ear discriminates pitch by means of a set of tuned resonators with active electromechanical feedback. The experts in auditory physiology ignored his work because he didn't have a degree in physiology. Many years later, the experts discovered the two kinds of hair cells in the inner ear that actually do the feedback as Tommy had predicted. It took the experts 40 years to admit that he was right. Of course, I knew he was right because I'd seen him do the experiments. Later in his life, he promoted another heretical idea that the oil and natural gas in the ground come up from deep in the mantle of the earth and have nothing to do with biology. Again, the experts are sure he is wrong, and he didn't live long enough to change their minds. But just a few months ago, some chemists at the Carnegie Institution in Washington did a beautiful experiment in a diamond anvil cell. They mixed together tiny quantities of three things that we know exist in the mantle of the earth and observed them at the pressure and temperature appropriate to the mantle about 200 kilometers down. The three things were calcium carbonate, which is sedimentary rock, iron oxide, which is a component of igneous rock, and water. Those three things are certainly present when a slab of subducted ocean floor descends from a deep ocean trench into the mantle. The experiment shows that they react quickly to produce lots of methane, which is natural gas. So big quantities of natural gas certainly exist in the mantle. The chemists sent an email to Tommy Gold to tell him their result and got back a message that he had died 3 days earlier. Now that he's dead, we need more heretics to take his place.